Hi, welcome back to our channel. Back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the video that is how you can perform or how to deduct vehicle detection. It means vehicle identification or vehicle detection with the help of Detectron tool. So before that, you heard now something about the Detectron tool. See, Detectron tool that is it's a powerful object detection and segmentation library developed by the Facebook only, and also built with the help of PyTouch. Moreover, it support the familiar models like fast RCN, mask RCN, and etc. So, with the help of direct, how we can achieve vehicle detection, and also we can execute everything in the Google app very easily here. So, here initially we are going to use the path that is Python. Then we are going to get the data from the GitHub website only. So then we are getting the information. Then we are going to connect the data set that is from the Coco data set for vehicle identification, even video also. If at all vehicles are running, movement video also we can get with the help of this concept here. So we are going to import the packages. Then we can check the Detectron method, the Detectron torch and everything. Then how do you get the data? We can write the code like import Detectron to followed by import the setup blocker and followed by the Detectron.data import metadata catalog like that. And you can write the coding. This is for get the complete detail of the complete details and extract the data from the Coca website here. And here this is also helping to this is the no so this has star XAF object detection. It will always helpful to extract the data. What are the information or data want that we can extract with the help of this one, and we can use the pandas generally used for display the CSV file. So suppose you have a CSV file called labels.uday, it show the information like this first 5 lines. Then we can reset the data set with the specific following code, and also we're following the detector to standard data, the standard format only. After that, we can write the code like record file name and object. What are the object? And then we are writing the code and classes also, because we have to classify the vehicle like it may be a jeep or bus or taxi, anything like that. Then we can import the Detectron again and visualize the one with the help of the IM show that like that. Then it will be the information, so it will display the image with the bound boxing concept here. So here like this. Here, so then train the model. So once it's generally showing, so we can go for Detectron method train the model. For train the model with the Coco model, we can connect with the faster RCN one, because faster RCN always follow the concept of a bound box. If at all object person, it will cover it. If not, then nothing. So object person or not. That means in the given image, whether the object person or not, after the training only. So after training, we can get the information like this. Then we can go for constructs of the output, like it will generate our output like this. So because completely based on ResNet, as if in a convolution pooling all the backdoor operations going on. Then after getting this information, you can go for check. You can get the information like how many cars, what are the distance and category of a vehicle, and category the pedestrians crossing or how many like that. And after getting only, we can conclude it and we can go for the inference model. So once you want to get the information inference, you can write predictor is equal to default predictor of safety. Then we can from the director method, we can get the visualization like randomly sample data, then draw instant predictions. So after giving this one successfully, it will show the information. That means the images boxes. That means bounded boxes. That means the car or vehicles are surrounded by the bounding box easily. Even the vehicle is movement. So like that, you can approach the vehicle detection with the help of detection for finding the object. Even the movie you can record here. These cars are moving fast. You can get it with the help of ResNet 101 and Coco dataset also. So at last it will start to display the object like traffic light and road, where the road the vehicle coming like that, and then show the traffic signal and everything like that. So I hope that today I understand how we can detect vehicle with the help of Detectron tool method. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.